This video is about distance and displacement. There are a few different ways to define distance and displacement in physics. Here I chose the following explanations. Distance is simply the total length traveled by an object during a journey between 2 points. In other words, it is the total ground covered by the object during this journey. Distance is a scalar quantity. On the other hand, displacement is a vector between the starting point and the end point of an object's journey. Let's see two examples to better understand these concepts. In the first example, an object travels from A to B, as shown on the diagram, and we have to find the distance traveled by the object and the magnitude of its displacement. Let's start with distance. Distance is the total length traveled by this object during its journey from A to B. We see on the diagram that the object moves 2 meters upwards, 3 meters to the right, and then 2 meters downwards to get from A to B. So the distance traveled here is 2 plus 3 plus 2 meters, which is equal to 7 meters. Displacement is a vector. It points from A to B, and it looks like this. The distance between A and B is 3 meters, which means that the magnitude or the length of this displacement vector is 3 meters. So you can see here that while the distance traveled is 7 meters, the displacement of the object is only 3 meters. In example 2, a turtle walks from point X to point Y, and we have to find the distance traveled by the turtle and the magnitude of its displacement. The distance traveled is made up of this straight line, this semicircle, and another straight line. So we get 1 meter plus the length of the semicircular path, and since its radius is 1 meter, we get the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r, so 2 pi times 1, divided by 2 since we have a semicircle. To this, we will add the length of the second straight line. This gives us approximately 6.14 meters, and if we want to be absolutely correct with our rounding, since all values in the diagram are given to one significant figure, we would have to round here to 6 meters. This is the displacement vector between x and y, and its magnitude is 1 plus 2 plus 2 meters, which gives us 5 meters for the displacement. These are the basics that you need to know about distance and displacement.